Students, so this is another chapter, Ruth Harvard's criterion. So we already learned this in root locus problems, that is in intersection with imaginary axis step. At the time we are forming Ruth Terreno, so the same method we are applying here. So Ruth Harvard's criterion, we are having one characteristic equation. So in this we are having two cases. So in this problem we are going to study case 1, right? So this is the characteristic equation, given characteristic equation, s raised to 5, 2s raised to 4, 3s cube plus 6s square plus 2s plus 1 equals to 0. So s raised to 5 odd numbers, mark all odd numbers. So write it here 1, 3, 2, then even numbers 2, 6, 1. Okay, now 2 3s are 6 minus 6 divided by 2. 6 minus 6 divided by 2 is 0. 0 by anything is 0, right? So 2 2s are 4 minus 1 divided by 2, you will get 1.5. So when to apply case 1, that is first any element is 0, then you should apply case 1. So what is this case 1? So instead of 0 we'll write epsilon e. Okay, then again we'll solve the problem. See, instead of 0 I wrote epsilon here. Then I will solve the next further part. 6e minus 3 divided by e, then e into 1 e minus 0 divided by e, you will get 1. Then this 6e minus 3 divided by e, I am taking it as a. So a into 1.5 minus e divided by a. Then this whole term I will consider it as b. It's equals to a 1.5 minus e divided by a. b into 1 b minus 0 divided by b. So b will get cancelled, will get only 1. Okay. Now we need to examine this sign change. You can see here, to examine sign change, 6e minus 3 divided by e, where limit e tends to 0, this part 6e minus 3 unsolved equation is there. No, I am taking this and I am examining the sign change. Then e tends to 0. If e tends to 0, then 0 minus 3 divided by 0. So anything by 0 is infinity, that is minus infinity will get. Similarly, another unsolved equation is there, this part I will solve that also, that is a 1.5 minus e divided by a, that is a means this 6e minus 3 divided by e, right? Then if I examine e tends to 0, then 0 minus 3 will get into 1.5 minus 0 divided by 0 minus 3, so you will get 1.5. So put it in this chart, whatever the answers you will get, no, put that. You got minus infinity here, then 1.5. okay, so in a first column, sign change in first column, right? So system is unstable. If there is no sign change, then system will be stable. Okay, if there is no sign change in the first column, then system will be stable. There is a sign change, right? If there is no sign change, then system will be stable. If there is sign change, the system will be unstable.